To check your transaction history on TikTok, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to check the transaction history. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. This will give you access to various account settings. Step 4. Select Balance. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Balance or Wallet. Tap on it to view your account balance and transaction history. Step 5. Review transaction history. Once in the Balance section, you will see your transaction history. This includes details of purchases, gifts received, and any other financial transactions associated with your account. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on TikTok. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the app.